We didn't read the manual. So in this video we're going to show you how we took this and turned it into this, ready for the customer to plant up on low maintenance. So we started out this job the same as every job. We had a cup of tea, bit of a chat, got the line spray out of tape measures and started marking out where things were going. We normally give the customer a shout once we've marked out, just to make sure they're happy with the placement of everything. We finished marking it out. See the planter here, planter over there, sleeper, steps, sleeper. Bit of a sleeper bed here, returning for this bed. Sort of see it panning out.
I think I need a break, don't care how long it takes. You know I hate the way you make me feel so dark. You really broke my heart, you opened up my scars. I think I need a break, don't care how long it takes. You know I hate the way you make me feel so dark. You really broke my heart.
So while we waited for the skip to arrive to get rid of the dig off, we nipped off and collected some sleepers and some sand we had left over from the last job. We're waiting for a skip, drinking tea, doing very little as normal. So the skip arrived, time to set the ramp up and get rid of some of the dig off. This little bit to dig out and get rid of. We've started marking out where the planters are going. To remove most of the larger bits by hand, it's a lot easier than using the digger. Just to load up large items, you end up falling out the bucket. So we're done digging off. We've got rid of most of the stuff, most of the crap. Made ourselves a nice level platform, tracked it in, saved a bit of topsoil there, so when we build a sleeper we can just spoon it straight in. Job done. You can sort of see where things are going, roughly, just for the customer to come out and have a look, see whether she's happy, and try and keep the gravel path between the sleepers nice and uniform. This bed's going to be too high, this is going to be too high, dropping down to one going that way. And we're staying about 400mm off the garage to stop any damp issues. Here we only need one mix. So the way we do these sleeper beds is we put a blob of concrete under either end, level it up, screw it all together with each one, concrete under each end. And then in the corners we dig a post hole into each corner, like 2 foot deep, concrete it up and then screw it together so it can't go anywhere, won't twist or move around. These are the screws we're using, 150mm long. So if you drive them in through the end, you've got a nice smooth bit in this part and then the threaded bit goes into here. Very strong screws. So that's the base layer of the planters done. We've put some recycled topsoil back in. It's always good to video diggers coming out of tight spaces or precarious places, just in case it all goes wrong. Yesterday the camera ran out of battery, so we didn't get much time to video, but we managed to get 2 planters built, and we started this return to get two built. We're going to put some polythene in the back edge of these and then put the soil too, top it up with some good soil. This is sort of the walkway, so we're going row of sleepers there, and then some steps up there to lead you to that level. But we managed to get it all in, running parallel, all nice and parallel. Nice neat cuts on the end, and it runs through. We left a 400mm gap off the garage right through. We'll get set up. And must remember to charge batteries. Yesterday we set our new saw up. It's an absolute beast. There's a little sticker here that says read the manual. We didn't read the manual. Look what happened. Made a little cut by accident. I think the manual means if you're going to do a big angled cut, you take them off like that. I didn't do that. Same the other side. Read the manual. We didn't read the manual. So all we've done is set the sleepers on top of concrete. So today we'll dig down the back of them, drop some posts in, bolt it through with the posts, and then run some polythene around the back edge. So when the soil's up against them, it's not up against the polythene and not the sleepers. Just save it rotting so much. Just set a line up square with the planters to get this retaining wall running parallel. It's easier than measuring every 5 minutes. You can just follow a line.
Never thought I'd believe in miracles. You made me realize that you're the only one. Don't need to tell me what the future holds. Oh, I'll be fine 'cause we'll be laying in the sun. So you can let your hair down. I'll hide all of your worries away.
Steps are going to go here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've measured from here to the lawn, and that's 1.5 metres. So what then we do is the height to over here to see what the drop is. You divide the drop by however many steps you want. In this case it's 4 because it's going to work sleepers. And it's just digging a post hole. We've set one in, we'll set it down the back, bury it in the ground about 1 foot and concrete round it. It's just to stop this from moving. It's not going to move anyway because the steps are going to go back in it. For that to move, the steps will have to go up, so it's not going to happen. But it's belt and braces. Same with this planter. I've gone in the corner, one there and one there. I've got to do one there, and put one there and one there. It won't move because it's on top of concrete, so I've set a concrete bed all the way along. Bit of bodging, bodge stick. Is that what it's called? Bodger? Roger? Roger the Dodger? Roger the Bodger? That's your name.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me. Now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender. Let me go on a new adventure. We both know the score. We've been here once before. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender. Let me go on a new adventure.
More sleepers in. You see it taking shape now. Ice screen protector.
My name's Murray and I'm here for the kebabs.
That's pretty. Guess my fart. Oh, I'll weed a bit.
Let me go, it's my time. Watch me build another life. Find another space. Explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away. We won't see another day. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart.
So we filled the steps up with some hardcore and topped us off with a little bit of concrete. Then it was time to put the polythene in to protect the sleepers. We just held it in place by raking the soil back against it. Anything you'd like to say, Connor?
We need more soil?
Yes. People go blank when you put a camera in the face, so they never know what to say.
No, I don't know.
No, never normally sure. Put a camera on, you're like, We'll leave the camera on longer. Put some soil, flattened it out, put some poly up the sides. Not gone right to the top. We're going to top up with decent topsoil over this stuff. Put some stone in the steps. We're only gravelling over the steps and gravelling up all the walkways. Yes, Finn?
Yes.
Analogy of these pots, yeah, where this teacher asked, he taught pottery, and the teacher asked he divided the class up into two halves, and he says one half of the class is going to make pots over and over again, non-stop, just keep making them quick as possible, and the other side of the class is only going to make one pot, but it's got to be absolutely perfect.
Right.
And you've got a week to do it. So one side of the class is making pots over and over again, you know, making it, squashing it, making another one, squashing it, making another one, squashing it. And the other side of the class is just making one, spending absolutely ages making it, you know, perfect. And by the end of the week, the class that was making them over and over again could make a perfect one every time without fail. The ones that were doing quick, they were just coming out perfect every time.
Yeah.
But the class that are doing, they still provided a perfect one,
Can't do it again.
but it took them a week to do. But the other class is doing it. So I think what I was trying to say there is that the more you do something, the better you're going to get at it. There's no point striving for perfection your first time round. And the more and more attempts you have at something, and the more and more you get it wrong, or you make little mistakes here and there, you learn from them and get it better next time. I don't really know where that conversation started or where it ended or why it even started, but it's in there. Got some quality topsoil to go in now. So that's the planters topped up with some decent soil, the weed guard down, and the 20mm decorative gravel going in now. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching this little video we made. This is the job pretty much finished. The customer's going to plant it up. It's now about 3 months on from when we did this project, and it's completely planted up. It looks great. It takes a lot of effort to do these videos. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll catch you on the next one.